because as you can see, the reaction in the chromium sulfate solution and the electrolytic solution of chromium plating will be as chromium sulfate will convert to 2 chromium ions and plus 3 sulfate ions, and water also convert with the 4 hydrogen ions and 4 hydroxide ions, and at anode 4 hydroxide ion will release 4 electron plus oxygen plus 2 water molecule. 4 electron, it's mean if we have 4 hydroxide ion, you can see all they have negative electron, and the electron they, it's mean they have 1 electron extra which will they receive from these hydrogen ions, and that's why they will remove these 4 electrons and it will be converted to 4 electron. After that we have 4 OH, and we know that OH have, there are OH have 5 electron, 8, and it has 2 lone pair and 2 bond pair in it, and when it lose electron it will also give, and it will lose and it share 1 electron with hydrogen. Similarly in this molecule, in the outermost shell it has 6 electron, total oxygen has 8 electron, and in lone pair 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 2p4, there are 8. It's mean its outermost shell have 6 electron, 2 in the form of lone pair and 1 in bond pair, which they shared with 1 hydrogen atom. For example, 1, it will share with 1 hydrogen atom. And what happens when the reduction take place and when the bond break between hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen will take its electron and will combine, this hydrogen will combine with this hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen will combine with this hydrogen atom, and again they will convert into water molecule. So 2 water molecule will be formed, and this oxygen and this oxygen will combine with each other and form double bond and will convert into O2. So this is the overall reaction which take place at anode. Now at cathode, chromium because have positive charge, chromium have positive charge and they will move towards the cathode and will take 3 electron and will convert into chromium solid and deposit on the chromium. Why we use chromium and why we use antimony lead? I have explained the reason that the number of cation ions will be more if we use the chromium lead, because chromium also provide Cr plus 3 ions, and there is also Cr plus 3 ions in the solution also in the salt of chromium sulfate. Then the number of positive ion will be exceed, and the number of positive ion will be exceed than the number of negative ions. That's why number of anions, sulfate ions and hydroxide ion will be less, and which will prevent the further reoxidation of chromium ions, and the process of oxidation of chromium and deposition on other metal atom can be stopped. That's why we use antimony lead, and antimony lead has the combination of 4 to 5 metals which are antimony, Sb, Pb lead, zinc, nickel and tin. It has the more portions of antimony and lead, that's why antimony lead, and it also contain some small portions of zinc, nickel and tin. So this is the reason why we use antimony lead instead of chromium lead in the electroplating of chromium on another metal.